Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is something of an impromptu look. There was nothing planned about this. I was getting ready for an event and I had this whole tray filled with only Colourpop products that I had taken pictures of recently for my blog post. And I had nothing specific in mind. I just turned on the camera, sat down to do my makeup, and selected the products as I went along. And to be honest, I quite liked how the look turned out. In fact, I got quite a few compliments for the eye makeup as well. So this is just how sometimes makeup turns out. So I'm beginning with the foundation, obviously. I'm using the Colourpop No Filter foundation in the shade Medium 110. It looks a bit light in the beginning, but it does tend to settle down after some time and kind of blend in with the skin. Now with medium 110, the shade that they recommend is medium 28 for the concealer, but I went one shade lighter than that and I chose medium 26. Next I'm using the Colourpop Supernova shadow in Now or Never, and if you are a glitter lover, you have to try out the Supernova shadows. These are liquid glitter shadows and they settle down really fast and they are budge proof. There is no fallout and they're a glitter lover's dream. Then I'm using the Super Shock shadow in the shade Isa. Now Isa is a very dark eggplant purple, but I wanted a light wash of mauve just to give a little bit of definition in the outer corners. So I'm using a fluffy brush to apply it, and as you can see, when used with a brush it gives a much lighter color than the original dark purple. Then taking that same shade on an angled brush, I'm using it on the lower lash line, and with the brush, as you can see, it's showing its true color as opposed to the light wash of color on the upper lid. So I'm applying Isa up till the 2/3 of the eye, and then I'm just quickly doing my kajal. Surprisingly, I don't have any black eyeliner from Colourpop. Now I wanted some more color on the lower lash line, so taking coconut, I'm applying it on the inner 1/3 of my eye and blending it into the Isa to give like a gradient effect, something like peacock's feathers, where you have the blue blending into the purple, and I really like how it looked. And then I'm finishing off with some mascara while I had forgotten to turn on the camera for that, and I'm filling in my brows with the brow pencil. Please don't think this video is sponsored. Each and every Colourpop product that I have is one that I have bought. Not just bought, I've also paid heavy duty customs duty on it. So this is no way sponsored or anything. And this is my favorite blush. And if I could use just one blush all my life, this would be it. This is the Colourpop Super Shock blush in Drop of a Hat, and it's a beautiful peach for Indian skin tones. It's a pearlized formula, so you don't even need a highlighter with it, and it's just gorgeous. Moving on to the lipsticks, I'm applying the Colourpop Ultra Matte. Why am I saying Colourpop every time? We know this is all Colourpop. So this is the Ultra Matte lipstick in Times Square, and it's a beautiful nude. It's quite the perfect nude for me, but because it was looking a little bit too nude, I wanted a bit of mauve in it, so I'm going over it with the shade Viper and just patting them both in together to blend them in and getting a really nice rosy mauve kind of shade. And then I'm topping it with the gloss in Verbatim, which is a lovely pinky peach kind of lip gloss with a gold flip. It's a beautiful color, and that is the finished look. So it turned out pretty good. Like I said, I did get quite a few compliments on the eye look that day, and this didn't even take time. My whole thing is I don't have time to layer on 100 products to do cream contour and powder contour and a whole shebang. I just like my makeup to be simple, easy, quick, and I do hope you like this video and this look. So if you have, please do leave your feedback in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.